Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the image and immediately protecting the original. Duplicate the background layer so you can always revert. Next, crop and straighten to frame the subject. This improves composition and reduces distractions. Once done, set the resolution, 300px/in for print, 72px/in for screen, because output determines detail and sharpening later. Make sure to organize layers with clear names. It speeds the workflow and prevents accidental edits when you move into adjustments. You now refine tones and colors by adding adjustment layers, curves for contrast, levels for exposure, and hue/saturation to correct color casts, so edits remain non-destructive. Use layer masks to paint where adjustments apply. This preserves natural skin tones versus altering the whole image. For cleanup, use spot healing for small blemishes and the clone stamp for larger areas. Sample nearby textures and work at 50–75% opacity for realism. Once done, toggle adjustments to compare before and after. You finish by sharpening non-destructively. Convert the layer to a smart object or use high pass at 13px and set the blend mode to overlay for controlled edge crispness. Save a master PSD with layers intact, then export as a flattened JPEG or PNG in sRGB for consistent web color. If something goes wrong, colors shift or edges look odd. Make sure the document color profile matches your export profile and temporarily disable layer effects to isolate the issue. That usually reveals the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.